Hello everyone, I'm Michelle and I have something exciting to share with you today. Have you heard of fragrance layering? This art of fragrance layering is trending like crazy in Europe lately. Let me show you how it works. Here, I have SILKYGIRL Love EDP Dual Rollerball with me. This is a dual-ended perfume with two different scents on each end. The best part is, you can use it individually or layer and mix the two perfumes to create your personalized scent. Let's discover the individual scents first. This is Love Struck. It has a floral citrusy scent. Now let's see how Love Crush smells like. Wow, it has a fresh fruity floral scent. Come, let me show you how layering works. And now, a new scent is created. Wow, I love this scent. You can apply multiple layers as you like. Isn't it amazing what these rollerballs can do? SILKYGIRL's EDP Dual Rollerball comes in 3 variations for you to layer, mix, create your personalized scent. Have fun exploring! The mix is endless.